So in this Crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to stake Cronos on Crypto.com. So once you open up Crypto.com, what I want you to do is to go to this bottom bar and press on accounts. Once you're here on the accounts page right now, it's here right now, I want you just to scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says staking, and then go ahead and press on that. Once staking is selected, I want you to go ahead and press on stake now. Now, once you're here, you can see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can stake. So, for example, if you wanted to do Cronos, our ticker symbol CRO, I'd go ahead and press on that. Now, once it's here, you can type in the amount that you're looking to stake. So, if I wanted to do, 20, for example, I'll just do that. You can go ahead and make sure you guys read and acknowledge the statements right here. So the risk statement, the terms and conditions, privacy, etc. You can also see the stake timeline, all this kind of stuff, as well as the estimated unbonding period. So if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on continue, then you can proceed with the staking of Cronos that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to stake Cronos on Crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.